Hello, how are you all doing? It's Sarah from Learn Urdu with Sarah. Today I'm going to do my favorite thing, which is conjugating a verb into different tenses. It is very useful for learning and kind of gives an overview and a bigger perspective. And I'm going to take the verb milna. I created many such videos in the past. So I'm going to conjugate milna into 8 different tenses. 5 past tenses, 2 present tense, and the 1 is the future tense. So 5 past tenses are the simple tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, past habitual tense, and past continuous tense. And for the present tenses, I will do present continuous and present simple, and for the future I'll just do future simple because I don't want to make the video complicated. It's going to be very straightforward and beginner friendly, and it's just to help you with learning. My goal is to create simple and fun videos because I think language acquisition should be fun. So milna is an intransitive verb, which means it does not require a direct object, which makes things very easy and straightforward because it's meeting someone and not something. So it is an intransitive verb. I'm not gonna go into much detail in this video. I've created videos for each of these tenses and you can go to this playlist. So I'm going to use 2 subjects. The name of our subject is Michael and Catherine. I'm going to explain what they did in the past, what are they doing or meeting in the present, and who are they planning to meet. So this will give you a gender-based sample sentences. So with Michael, the verbs will have masculine endings, and with Catherine, the verbs will have female ending. They'll be declined into E endings. If you have any confusion or any question, just comment down below. You can also reach out to me on these platforms. I teach on these platforms and I've been teaching for the last 7 years. So now let's begin. So now Michael met his friend last year. This is an action that happened in the past. It's an isolated past action. So Michael met his friend last year. Michael अपने दोस्त से मिला. Michael अपने दोस्त से मिला. Michael met his friend. Michael अपने दोस्त से मिला. Because he's men, it's gonna be मिला. Catherine अपने दोस्त से मिली. Catherine अपने दोस्त से मिली. So here the gender of friend is kind of controlling अपने because दोस्त is masculine, that's why अपने दोस्त से. If the दोस्त is female, then it will be अपनी दोस्त से. Here the दोस्त is masculine. For that, apne is used. The other thing that I really want you to remember is the person you're meeting is going to be marked with se. Your mother, your sister, your brother, colleague, friend, it's going to be marked with se. Se is the post position. The other thing is in English, you use milna for the first meetup. In Urdu, you can use it for every single time you meet someone. The next one is the past perfect. This is the action that happened before another past action. वो उससे मिला था स्कूल से पहले. वो उससे मिला था. वो Michael, उससे means with his friend, मिला था. He had met. वो उससे मिला था school se pehle. What I want to say is he had met him before they went to the same school, but I'm going to simplify it in Urdu. वो उससे मिला था school se pehle, before school. You can also say school जाने से पहले. वो school जाने से पहले उससे मिला था. For Catherine, it would be वो उससे मिली थी school जाने से पहले. वो उससे मिली थी school जाने से पहले. This has happened in the past before another action in the past, which is they went to school. So before that they met. School जाने से पहले वो उससे मिली थी. The next one is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is when the action happened in the past, but it is relevant in the present moment. It is connected to the present moment. I have seen that movie. I have already eaten dinner. Something like that. Michael काफ़ी लोगों से मिला है. Michael काफ़ी लोगों से मिला है. Michael काफ़ी लोगों से, a lot of people. Logo is people. लोगों से, with a lot of people. मिला है, he has met. Michael काफ़ी लोगों से मिला है. Catherine काफ़ी लोगों से मिली है. Catherine काफ़ी लोगों से मिली है. Catherine has met a lot of people. Catherine काफ़ी लोगों से मिली है. Now we'll come to the past habitual tense. Now again a reminder, I made a very detailed video and actually multiple videos on each of these tenses. He used to meet his friends in the gym. He used to meet his friends in the gym. Something that he used to do it habitually in the past. वो अपने दोस्तों से मिलता था. वो अपने दोस्तों से मिलता था. वो अपने दोस्तों से जिम में मिलता था. वो अपने दोस्तों से जिम में मिलता था. Now let's talk about Catherine. वो अपने दोस्तों से जिम में मिलती थी. वो अपने दोस्तों से जिम में मिलती थी. Now the past continuous. Something that was in a progressive, like something that was happening in the past. It's a continuous tense, a progressive action. Michael अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था. Michael अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था जब बारिश शुरू हो गई. Michael अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था. मिल रहा is meeting. रहा is the suffix to the present and the past continuous tense. Michael अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था जब बारिश शुरू हो गई. So he was meeting his friend when rain started. Michael अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था जब बारिश शुरू हो गई. Catherine अपने दोस्तों से मिल रही थी जब बारिश शुरू हो गई. So she was meeting when the rain started. Now let's talk about the present simple, something that is habitual, something that is happening quite routinely. For that purpose, we use the present simple, present habitual tense. Michael अपने classmates से मिलता है. He meets his classmates. Michael अपने classmates से हर रोज़ मिलता है. Michael अपने classmates से हर रोज़ मिलता है. Catherine अपने classmates से हर रोज़ मिलती है. Catherine अपने classmates से हर रोज़ मिलती है. She meets her classmates every day. Classmates से हर रोज़ मिलती है. Now let's talk about the present continuous tense, like a progressive actions that are happening right now. Michael अपने cousin से lunch के लिए मिल रहा है. Michael अपने cousin से lunch के लिए मिल रहा है. You can make cousin female as well by saying Michael अपनी cousin से lunch पे मिल रहा है. Catherine अपने मंगेतर से लंच पर मिल रही है. Catherine अपने मंगेतर से with her fiancé. मंगेतर is a fiancé. मंगेतर से लंच पर मिल रही है. She's meeting for lunch. Catherine अपने मंगेतर से लंच पर मिल रही है. Now let's talk about the future simple tense. कल माइकल अपनी होने वाली बीवी से मिलेगा. कल माइकल अपने होने वाली बीवी से मिलेगा. अपनी होने वाली बीवी, like होने वाली बीवी means future wife. होने वाली बीवी. माइकल अपनी होने वाली बीवी से मिलेगा. He will meet. Ega is the suffix used for the future tense. वो अपनी होने वाली बीवी से मिलेगा. कैथरीन कल अपने मंगेतर से मिलेगी. कैथरीन कल और कल कैथरीन अपने मंगेतर से मिलेगी. She will meet her fiancé tomorrow. Okay, I hope it's not too confusing for you. I hope it's just a consolidation of what you have learned previously. If you find it very confusing and overwhelming, again, you can go and learn the grammar first if that's something you like, and then come back to this video. In the next video, I'll teach you milna, but there are few other meanings of milna. For example, to get, to receive, to meet, or to run into someone, to find. That is quite different from these construction, and I will teach you that next week or whenever I decide to post that video. If you want a PDF file of all the grammar points that we have learned today, you can become a patron on this website. Have a nice day. I'll see you later. Goodbye.